Hello.
In the background,
What?
in the background is a movie.
Yes, a movie.
Yep.
We're gonna try True Fruit.
True.
These are natural bananas. These are hyper dried, fresh, and dark chocolate.
Mama,
Yeah, well,
it's kind of like dried fruit.
Yeah?
I
Right
wanted
here.
strawberry, but he wanted banana.
Now.
I kind of like
This is-
bananas.
These are little balls. I thought they were.
Let me smell it. Ew, this smells kind of good.
Fuck you! Fuck you, Dave! Fuck you!
What happened in them? Are you? Tastes like dark chocolate.
They're not bad. But I'm not a fan of dark chocolate.
Not me. I like chocolate. I like dark chocolate.
Milk chocolate probably would have been better.
Yeah.
And these are for the whole
I got
pouch.
something to drink. I got something to drink.
What you drinking?
The calm.
Calm the
Hey.
taste.
Oh, don't apologize. You have
That's
nothing
just-
to apologize for.
I don't know if they're healthy though.
That better.
You grew up so well, I just
They're
figured
310
being around
calories
would
for the
fuck
whole
things
bag.
up.
It tastes bad.
But maybe I fucked up anyway. Maybe,
It tastes like bananas.
maybe.
They're not the
Maybe this
healthiest
is
thing in
the
the
right
world
answer.
though.
Hey, Mama. Give me chili chips.
I know you're doing your best.
Mm.
I am. You did. I am doing
We
my
got-
best.
Hey,
30
Mama.
grams of sugar in the whole bag.
Hey, Mama. I got the chili chips to cook the taste buds.
Okay.
The
I
taste
just,
banana on
I just want us to be good.
Mama.
Hmm?
Mine tastes like dark chocolate banana.
Mm-hmm.
Okay then.
I mean, they're not that bad, but they're. I would think that they would be
Good night.
healthy, but they don't really seem healthy to me.
Why you rate that?
If you like dark chocolate, it'd probably be like an 8.
8 out of 10. Me too, 8. We
Are
rate-
you? Is your score lower?
It tastes 8 out of 10. It tastes bad. I'm giving it a 0 out of 10.
A 0 out of 10.
Yeah.
I rated an 8. It's not my thing, but it might not be, you know,
Eat
bad to somebody else that eats dark chocolate and likes bananas. These were in the shelf. These were not in the frozen section. So these were like $2 and something, almost $3. So yeah,
I'm gonna go out of 10.
0.
It's 0 out of 10. It tastes bad.
He doesn't like dark chocolate.
I
But-
don't like dark chocolate because it tastes weird.
Dark chocolate is healthier.
Yeah, dark chocolate healthy.
All right. Bye.